Hi and welcome back to part 8 of the the Guardians of the Galaxy ship build. Now this was the first ship that they were in, so it's as you can see, it's the orange coloured ship, and you join us at the beginning of bag 5 and stage is 136. So we're going to be going up to stage 150 I think in this video, or 50ish. I'm enjoying the build. It's going to be quite a solid ship once it's been finished, a bit like the transporter was. So I mean, for the wings, this is just one part of the wing section. It's literally a solid brick, and the hull of the ship is pretty cool as well. And we've started to get a little bit more shape of the hull in there and a few hooks to put bits and pieces in. Yet again, we're joined by Bandit, and if you see any black and white parts of a pussycat, don't panic, that's his tail. He's a friendly little thing and he just seems to enjoy sitting with me while I do these videos. So anyway, like I said, this is part 8 and we're going to be starting off bag 5, and for this one we get Mantis as a character. So not all the bags have characters. There's 5 characters for this set, I think. You get Mantis, Star-Lord, Chitauri Warrior, I think, and Thor. So here we go, that's Mantis. I don't think there's anything special about this particular version of Mantis. Like, some of the figures are unique to the sets, but I don't think that's the case. This one. Right, so I've put the sticker on already, which is there. So stage 136 takes this long beige coloured piece, flip it upside down, and I want the grey to go something like that, and the green to go something like that. So that's 137, 138, we flip it up the other way around, and we pop one of these little corner snot pieces, green hook, and the other one of those in there, and then a green hook again, like that. 139, and we're carrying on with the studs, the corner stud pieces here. One hook, and that. 140 is just simply this one piece here going on the end like so. 141 is where we use the sticker, and this bit comes on here. He's a happy boy today, aren't you? So yeah, you can probably hear him purring on the microphone. He's still with us. So that's 141. 142 requires another long piece. Now this doesn't seem to be particularly clear in my mind. Now if you're building this yourself, you let me know in the comments box what you think of this stage 142 to 143. Now this is quite obvious. What we've got to do here is put all these little curved sections on, so we make up one panel. But it has, now I think it's supposed to go on here, but the hook is preventing it. And why are the hooks preventing it? That's why it's not clear, because the hook shouldn't be preventing it, but it is. Right, I've definitely got the hook. The hook's all right. Now unless it's a bit, I've got that piece on correctly. If I put that bit like so, so it overhangs, it looks like it might actually overhang rather than lie flat. Now that goes on there. That's better. So the mistake that I made was with this wedge piece here, I'd actually put it on so it lined up like that. When it doesn't, it goes on there, so you get a straight edge. So that does make sense. 143 onwards. So 143 requires the orange pieces and this funny shade. So what we do with that, put an orange square on top, and then we pop that on there like that. Stupid cat, you're gonna fall off. And then that sits on the edge like so. 144, we take 3 of these 2 pieces but with an edge and pop them along there. So there's 1, 2, 3. 145, take the longer piece that's got the edge and join that up like so. 146, I'm going to put some detailing sections on here. I'm going to start off with a 2 piece. And these 2 little studs to sit. Get comfy, you. See, you're putting me off, but it doesn't take much. It's not staying, is it? That should leave you with 4 studs there. That's better. 147. That's going to stay on there a little bit better now, hopefully. Put orange there. We finish off the tip of the wing like that. And we put that way. Goes on that way. It's 147, 148. So we're now looking at it from that angle, from behind, and we'll get our red hook and our bluish green single and this piece. Pop it on there. Like so, and then that is supposed to sit on there like so. 148. 149. So I think we take what we've made already, and it looks like it goes on that way. Yeah, so what should happen, this hook here should go onto that part there, and that should all squeeze down like so. So that gives us that edge of the wing. There we go. That's looking good so far. Now 150, we'll be building up this area here. So we take this triangular piece and pop it on there like so. And you take the orange and pop the orange on there, and the piece that blanks it all off and pop that on like so. There you go, that's 150. So what we're supposed to do with this piece? Just try to see where this, oh, this goes here. Like that. And then 151. That's quite simply these pieces here. So with the wing this way round still, we are going to build up this area here by the looks of it. So let's have 2 of these. So that goes there. We go 1 and 2 with that going So it's 151. And I think that's where I'm going to end it for now. So thank you very much for watching me. We'll come back for 152 and part 9. So thanks for your time. If you're enjoying the build, don't forget you can leave a comment in the box below, subscribe to the channel, and get in touch with me directly. So if there's something that I haven't built in Lego and you'd like me to build it on the channel, then leave it in the comments box below and I will see what I can do. Please bear in mind though that I buy all of these kits out of my own personal funds, and so this channel is not sponsored. I don't get given any freebies or anything, so everything that you see on this channel I've either bought myself or it's been given to me as a present. So I'd love to get this channel monetized, and I can do that with your help. So if you don't mind subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment and watching the videos all the way through, that's really great and helpful. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help the channel out immensely. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself.